Brighten your home's exterior with the new KODA Outdoor Wall Lantern. This video will detail the installation of the KODA Outdoor Wall Lantern. First off, select your installation location. Consult a qualified electrician if you do not have a pre-existing outlet box. Turn off the main power breaker to the light before removing any existing fixture. Use a voltage tester to ensure the power is off. Remove any existing fixtures. Begin by installing the mounting bracket. Secure the bracket with the included mounting screws. Next, connect corresponding outlet box wires with the lantern's wires using the included wire nuts. Connect the light's black wire with the outlet box's positive wire, screwing the wire nuts in a clockwise direction. Connect the light's white wire to the outlet box's negative wire. Connect the ground wires together or secure the ground wire to the outlet box using a ground screw. Place the canopy over the outlet box and feed the fixture mounting screws through the canopy openings. Adjust the mounting screws until they protrude roughly 1/4 inch out of the canopy. Secure the canopy to the mounting plate using the rubber washers and mounting nuts. Install the included LED bulb or a bulb of your choice. Install the bottom cap knob with the included screws. Secure the bottom cap to the light fixture. Turn the power back on to the light. The lantern has a built-in light sensor, which keeps the light off during the day and turns it on automatically at night. To change or remove the light bulb, unscrew the nuts on the top of the wall lantern. Remove the lower part of the light and remove the bulb. Reattach the lower part of the fixture and secure with the mounting nuts. If you have any further questions or comments, post them below or contact our customer support team. Information will be in the description.